Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Padfolio Ring Binders. Whether you're heading to an interview, a meeting, or just trying to stay organized, having the right Padfolio can make all the difference. I've researched the top 5 options available on the market right now, and I'll walk you through their features, design, and value to help you pick the best one for your needs. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started. At rank number 5, we have the Zippered Portfolio Organizer by Ryas. This Padfolio brings a clean and professional design that's perfect for business meetings, interviews, or corporate events. It's crafted from high-quality faux leather with reinforced stitching, giving it a sleek and durable finish. The zippered closure ensures all your documents and essentials are secure. The compact size, measuring 13.3 by 10 inches, makes it portable and easy to carry in a briefcase or bag. Inside, the Ryas Padfolio boasts a highly functional layout designed for professionals. It includes a 3-ring binder, a dedicated pocket for your tablet, slots for business cards and documents, plus space for a notepad. What makes it stand out is its versatility. You can fit everything from resumes to legal pads to your phone. Users have noted that it's lightweight yet durable, making it a great choice for frequent use. While it's not the most feature-rich Padfolio on this list, it offers excellent value for those seeking a stylish yet functional option. However, its storage capacity might feel limited for those who need to carry bulkier items. Overall, this is a solid choice for professionals who prioritize portability and style. Pros: lightweight, professional design, and secure zippered closure. Cons: limited capacity for larger items. At number 4, we have the Toplive Padfolio 3-ring binder organizer. This one takes a more elegant approach with its sleek gold finish, making it particularly suited for women who want their accessories to stand out. The high-quality PU leather construction feels sturdy yet lightweight, and the reinforced stitching adds a touch of sophistication. Measuring 12.8 by 10 inches, it's slightly larger than the Ryas, offering additional room for essentials. Functionality is where the Toplive Padfolio shines. It features a 1-inch round ring binder, card slots, document sleeves, a notepad sleeve, and a pen holder, all neatly organized to keep your items accessible. It's designed for A4 and letter-sized documents, making it ideal for resumes, notes, or presentations. The gold design is stylish yet professional, helping users leave a lasting impression during interviews or meetings. While it's a fantastic option for organization, the Toplive Padfolio does have some drawbacks. Its gold finish, while striking, may not appeal to those seeking a more subdued or unisex design. Additionally, it's not as rugged as some of the other options on this list. But if you're after style and functionality, this one is a great pick. Pros: elegant design, excellent organization, and professional appeal. Cons: limited durability and niche aesthetic. Coming in at number 3, we have the faux leather 3-ring portfolio binder with handle by Ryas. This Padfolio is crafted with versatility in mind, offering a sturdy handle for portability and a durable faux leather exterior that's both waterproof and stain-resistant. It measures 14.4 by 11.1 inches, making it the largest on our list, and is designed to accommodate laptops or tablets up to 13.3 inches. Inside, you'll find a well-thought-out layout with a 3-ring binder, a clipboard, a notepad, and multiple compartments for business cards, documents, and even electronic devices. It's capable of holding up to 100 A4 documents, making it ideal for professionals who need to carry a lot of materials. The zippered closure ensures everything stays in place, even during travel. While this Padfolio offers excellent storage and flexibility, its larger size may not suit everyone. It's bulkier than other options and more suited for those who need a mobile office. However, if you're looking for a high-capacity, all-in-one solution, this is an excellent choice. Pros: great storage capacity, durable construction, and a convenient handle. Cons: bulky design and less portable than smaller options. At number 2, we have the Portfolio Organizer by Ryas. This Padfolio is a fantastic blend of style, functionality, and durability. Made from water-resistant vegan leather, it's built to last while offering a polished, professional look. Its enlarged size of 10.62 by 13.77 inches makes it spacious enough for legal pads, resumes, and other essential documents. The Nata Surround Padfolio is designed for maximum organization. It features a 3-ring binder, 5 colorful dividers with 10 pockets, a file compartment, card slots, pen holders, a mobile phone pocket, and even a detachable calculator. It comes with a 20-page notepad and a free pen, making it ready for use right out of the box. Whether you're heading to an interview, a business meeting, or just organizing your daily tasks, this Padfolio has you covered. The only downside is its weight. At 2.31 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors. However, the added weight is a small trade-off for its functionality and robust design. Pros: comprehensive organization, water-resistant material, and professional appearance. Cons: heavier than other Padfolios. And finally, at number 1, we have the Case-It Executive Zipper Padfolio. This Padfolio strikes the perfect balance between elegance and functionality, making it the top choice on our list. Crafted from premium vegan leather with a pebbled texture, it exudes sophistication while being durable and scratch-resistant. Its dimensions of 13.6 by 11 inches make it compact yet spacious enough to carry all your essentials. The Case-It Padfolio features a removable 3-ring binder, multiple interior pockets for documents, a dedicated pocket for your phone, and a notepad. The zippered closure keeps everything secure, while the lightweight design and handle make it ideal for professionals on the move. Users have praised its versatility, noting how it transitions seamlessly from office meetings to casual planning sessions. What sets this Padfolio apart is its overall value. It's affordable, yet doesn't compromise on quality or design. While it may not have as many compartments as some competitors, its simplicity is part of its charm. Pros: elegant design, durable build, and excellent portability. Cons: limited storage compared to bulkier options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect Padfolio ring binder for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about these Padfolios, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, stay organized and take care.